So before the video starts, I just wanted to hop on and give a little announcement for you guys. If you guys don't know, I have my own skincare company called Honeypop, and we are having a massive flash sale for you guys. It's called the I'm on Staycation DIY Face Mask Kit. I'm not just saying this because it's my own brand, but seriously, it is so good. If you guys check out the link down below or go to shophoneypop.com, you can get your own DIY face mask kit for only $19.95 right now. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on with you guys and share it because it's a really good sale, and be sure to check it out, and let's get to the video. Hey guys, it's Remy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another one of these Instagram recreating videos. I'll admit, I know they're not trendy anymore, but honestly, it was really fun. If you guys missed the first one I did, I recreated a bunch of my best friends' pictures here on YouTube, and you guys really liked it. I had so much fun doing it, so I thought I would do another one today, but instead of doing my friends, we're gonna do the Kardashians and the Jenners and just all those wonderful gals. But yeah, if you guys like this video and you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Starting off with photo number 1, we have my girl, Kendall. Beautiful photo of the queen in front of this gorgeous window. She's got some beautiful roses. I went to the store, picked up 3 dozen roses from Trader Joe's because we are balling on a budget here. Threw on a bathrobe and took the photo, and here's how it went. All right, so we have our flowers here. It looks like she has like, honestly, maybe 2 dozen in the picture, but I got 3 dozen just because we're gonna be extra. So we're just gonna cut this open and then take all the leaves off and hopefully not prick myself.
Ooh.
Good? Yay, okay. All right, so in the picture, she has it like very off her shoulders.
Ooh.
Little collarbone action. Give the people what they want. Okay, Timmy's here and he's gonna help me take photos.
Oh my god.
Oh, yay! Okay, perfect. I love it. I'm tired.
We just did the first shoot.
4 more to go. Why Chris have to have so many daughters? All right, so got the picture. Here's Kendall's. Here is mine. I think we did a pretty good job actually. And yeah, don't look like Kendall. We'll never look like Kendall, but I've accepted it. I've moved on, and I'm still happy with the pic that we got. All right, next up, we are moving on to my girl, Khloe, who I think is probably my favorite. It's like a tie between Khloe and Kourtney for sure. I feel like they're just like the 2 baddest, realest ones, and I really like them. So yes, love Khloe. I feel her on a spiritual level, and I wanted to do a picture of her when she was pregnant with True. I get all their names mixed up. Because if you guys missed it, plug, I did a 24-hour pregnancy challenge video on this channel. I have no idea where that pregnancy belly went. I think that it birthed itself and like walked out of here. I have no idea where it went. So I don't have the belly, so we couldn't do that photo. So instead, I found this one of her sitting in this like studio with this light, and it wasn't an ad, but it looked like an ad for Coca-Cola. So I decided to recreate it. And as we all know, I don't like soda, but I did it for the pig. Okay. That's good. Oh, right. So I'm pulling down the pink seamless in the background because Khloe's sitting on a chair with a pink thing, and then she's like in an actual studio. We don't have a studio, so I do have a light here though, and that'll light up the back of the photo. I don't know how this is gonna look, but we're gonna see. And now we're gonna work on the outfit. So, to the closet. Welcome to my closet. Okay, so in this picture, Khloe's wearing an olive green bodysuit and a camo skirt. Luckily, for some reason, I think I'm Cadet Kelly and have like 15 camo skirts. Out of all of these, I actually don't even think I own an olive green bodysuit. Maybe I'm wrong. Hold on, let me look. How do I not have an olive green bodysuit? Apparently, I love every color that exists and every top possible except for olive green. We're gonna, oh, maybe, wait! I have a sports bra! I just did my laundry, I remember. Okay, perfect. It's fine. I didn't just do the laundry. You're fine. Cadet Kelly reporting for duty.
Wait, where's Remy? I can't see her.
Where's my pants? This is so embarrassing. Shout out Roger for postmating our Cokes to us. And we've got a paper straw here because eco-friendly. Still don't like soda. Is that good? It looks weird, right? It feels weird. My head hurts. Oh my god, that's spot on. It looks like we're at the East Studios, but really we're in downtown LA in my apartment. Ooh, give it to me, honey. Give it to me. All right, so here is Khloe's original photo. Here is my photo. I think we did a pretty good job, I will say. I'm really, really proud of this one. Love Khloe. She makes me want to cut my hair short and go blonde again, but my hair will fall out of my head, so we're gonna wait on that for a little bit. But yeah, not too shabby. Next up, we have another one of my fave gals. We have Kourtney. She is so hilarious. If you guys have seen like those memes and like all the compilation stuff on Twitter, I love her. So I found this picture of her holding an ice cream cone and I was like, I want some ice cream. Let's recreate this one. She has on this really pretty like silky pink dress and I have like a similar-ish one. And it looked like she was in a candy store or something and it kind of looked like this place called Dylan's Candy Bar at the Grove. I know there you can get ice cream and you can get candy and it looked the same, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna put on a fancy dress and I'm gonna walk around in public at the Grove and get some ice cream and take a picture. Here's how it went. I already got about 50 weird looks, so let's get this over with. Also, these shoes are the most uncomfortable things in the entire world and we've got a ways to walk and my feet already hurt.
You guys, look at her trying to walk.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
I'm in pain.
Your love life. Remy, give us an update on your love life. Hey Remy, can you keep up with us?
Oh my god, that's amazing.
It's slipping.
That's
There
perfect.
you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a sweet day.
Thank you. Oh, how cute. Thanks, Kourtney.
The cookie dough part is so good.
All right, coming back, here's Kourtney's original photo. Here's my photo. I think we did pretty good. We did it for the gram, we did it for the video, and overall, I think the picture turned out pretty cute. Next up, we have the OG. We've got Kim Kardashian. She's been wearing this like chartreuse neon highlighter yellowy green color lately. I have to say, I am here for it. It makes you look so tan, and she's just really pretty. So I've been loving that for her. So yes, I found myself a neon chartreuse dress. I got this one from Laura's Boutique. Shout out to Laura. Threw that on, and there was a picture of her that I saw, like a bunch of paparazzi pictures of her getting into a G-Wagon that was the same color as her dress. Now, as I said, we are balling on a budget on this channel, so unfortunately, my G-Wagon was in the shop and we couldn't get it for this video. So instead, we decided to take a photo with my car. My Photoshop skills are not the best, so my friend Eli is going to help us out. And here's how it turned out. All right, let's do it. Take note of my shoes, please. The fact that I don't have to show my feet. She's got her hair behind her shoulders and she's holding the door and she's like this. That's good, right? Do I look like Kim? Stick my butt out. Oh, there's men behind her. We didn't bring any men with us.
Oh yeah,
Did I
right
get
there.
it? Is that the shot?
Wait, go. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. We got it. All right, we've got the original one here. Here's mine. Not the best, but honestly not the worst. Again, didn't have a G-Wagon, so it was a little harder for me, but I don't know. I've been loving the vibe Kim's been going out with lately. Love the gal. Think she seems great. And yeah. Not too bad, I have to say so myself. Last but not least, we have the social media queen. We have Kylie Jenner. I've been loving Kylie's look lately. She's been wearing like a lot of latex and I'm here for it for her on myself. I don't feel like putting myself through, you know, X-day on the latex, and I found this beautiful photo of her in like a jungle wearing animal print. If you know me, for some reason lately, I have been loving, here for standing the animal print. So I found myself this like leopard cheetah print dress, threw the dress on, and then the next thing I had to do was find Sahara Desert sort of vibe in Los Angeles. And that in itself was quite an adventure. This camera is just so close up and too high quality. I'm sorry. Hello guys, we are in the car now. We are en route. My brain is not working. Not sure what's gonna happen. Eli's driving because even though he doesn't even live here, he knows LA way better than I do. And he thinks he knows a spot for, sorry, it's shaking so much. We're on my phone. Until then, I fix my hair and I sing some Ariana Grande for them. Lucky them. Back to 1999.
Take a ride through my whole neighborhood.
Eli was talking about the La Brea tar pits. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
The La Brea tar pits? Do you know what they are?
No.
Oh, obviously not. Find your lighting. Not my lighting.
Not any of our lighting.
No one's lighting. We are now driving back down Olympic. Thank you. Not trying to get copyrighted today. Come on. Oh, I see it.
Right
there
there.
they are. There they are. There they are. Those are like really big. Highland and Olympic. Thank you, person who lives there. Kylie, thanks you. Thank you, Eli. Today I'm here on the streets of Wilshire and Olympic. I forget what the streets are called.
Highland.
I'm pretty sure we're parked illegally, so we're gonna go fast. Let's do it. They're so itchy, and I have to like stand up on it. She's actually in a bare field. There are actually none of these. Why were we thinking these? We're gonna find a dead patch of grass because I think that it'll look more like the picture, and that's way easier to find out here. We found a patch of dead grass. This is gonna have to do in LA. So, she's looking this way like this?
Yeah.
Ooh.
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 These
Okay,
are really
I gotta
easy
keep
to
my
do.
mouth open, butt out, lips plumped.
Just Kylie Jenner who?
She shook. So here's Kylie's photo, and here is my photo. But I tried my best. And again, I feel like with all of these, it's like, could be worse, could be better, but could be worse. And that was my video of me recreating the Kardashians and the Jenner's Instagrams. By the way, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!